I'm Tori K and welcome to my channel. Snow globes, especially Disney snow globes, are one of my favorite items to collect. That's why I was super excited to finally learn how to create my own. In this video, I'm going to teach you to do the same with just a few basic supplies. If we're ready, let's begin. You'll need a small figurine. I'm using a Pocket Pops keychain, a snow globe kit, glycerin, coarse glitter, decorative tape to decorate the base of the globe, waterproof epoxy glue, and of course water, preferably distilled or at least filtered. First, glue your figure to the snow globe base. If you want it raised inside the globe, you could also make a small pedestal out of clay before gluing it. Set it aside to dry at least 2 hours. For the background, print off an image from your computer. Since I'm making an Elvis Stitch scene, I chose a Las Vegas background. You'll want to print it on high-quality cardstock or photo paper. If it's printed on regular paper, it'll be too thin and you'll be able to see through the image. Keep in mind when sizing the image that it'll be magnified when you place it in water. After it's cut to size, get your image laminated. Remember to leave at least ½ inch around the sides. If you cut it too short, water will seep between the layers of plastic and ruin your image. Position it inside your globe before pouring the water. You'll want your background to be about half the size of your globe and fit inside snugly. If it's too big, your scene will overlap the figure. I aligned it with the seams of the snow globe itself. Add 1 or 2 teaspoons of glycerin to the water before adding glitter. Glycerin gives the glitter that nice swirl effect. Otherwise, it'll just sink straight down when the globe's shaken. Add your glitter. I went a little glitter crazy, so use your common sense and judgment when sprinkling. Now secure the base. I found it was better to add too much water than too little, so you'll see a bit of spillage. You'll notice heavy glitter clumping on the figure. Not to worry. It may take a few days, but eventually the glitter will start coming off and spreading more evenly as the glycerin disperses. The glitter may also clump into little balls at the bottom of the globe, but that'll also even out. Make sure the globe is completely dry before applying a generous layer of glue to your lid. Decorate the base with tape. I also decided to glue down the ends just to keep them from unfurling. And you're done! This is such a cool craft because you can customize it any way you want. You could even draw or paint your own fantasy background. There are no rules. I hope you enjoyed my video, and if you did, please be sure to give me a like and a subscribe if you haven't already. And if you do subscribe, please click the bell icon to be notified of upcoming videos. Thank you for watching, and until next week, I'll see you soon. Bye!